Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. So in the song there's a lot of chord changes on the guitar. For the ukulele, I'm gonna actually simplify it so you guys will be able to play it quickly. But I'm gonna show you a simple way to play it and then one that adds in another chord that might make it a little challenging. But let's get started with the chords. So the first chord we're gonna use is the A flat major 7. And the second chord we're going to use is going to be a D sharp major 7. Okay, so just those two chords. Strum pattern for that, you guys hear in the song goes. But you guys can do that for the whole entire thing. What I'm playing is the top string, the third string, and the fourth string. And I'm just plucking those strings, but for the second one, what I'm doing is using this finger to hit this too. So kind of hitting all the strings. Now what you guys can do is just strum it. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Might be a little bit easier. Okay, so you can play that for the entire song. Now this is just a simplified way to do it. This one I'm gonna add in another chord. Like I said, it might be a little challenging, but what you're gonna do is place your whole entire pointer on the first fret, have your middle on the ring finger on the second string, third fret, and then your pinky on the last string, third fret. So you're gonna make this chord here, so F minor 7. And where that comes in is gonna be so that's like the connector. Or down, up. Okay. And there's also that one part that goes has a so that one here is gonna be on the last chord. So what I do is I strum the whole chord, or you can do just the top 3. Then I'm gonna play the 4th fret here. So so 4 to the 3. So it goes dun, 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 and this part you can just play it through because I think he's going every other. So dun, dun. So listen to the song, you'll hear when that comes up, but this is a simplified way to play it. You can just do the 2 chords, A flat major 7, D sharp major 7, or if you guys want to add in that F minor 7, that connector there, so. Sounds pretty cool, but hopefully that helped you guys out with this song. I know there were, I checked out some of the other YouTube tutorials, and just wanted to add in my little chord there and the other things. But don't forget to check out my guitar tutorial that's coming up, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.